LEVELLINE Outside 90 pre-cut drywall corner beads deliver perfect outside corners in record time. With their beaded nose profile, joint tape, and formulated surface paper, LL Outside 90 Corner Sticks are lighter and easier to handle than paper-faced metal products. Best of all, they're flexible and forgiving. Unlike paper metal, they do not dent. When you bend them, they bend right back. That means less worry and less waste. First, measure the corner length and cut the stick to the correct length. For increased productivity, LEVELLINE Outside 90 sticks can be used with the CertainTeed double barrel hopper, simplifying the application of drywall compound. Press the LL firmly in position to set the corner bead. Make sure the flanges contact the drywall completely and are tightly aligned to the ceiling. Run a roller firmly over the corner to ensure maximum adhesion. Skim over the edges to smooth the drywall compound to the edge of the flange. Remove any excess mud. Apply 2 more coats, sand, and you're finished. CertainTeed LEVELLINE Outside 90 pre-cut drywall corner beads make finishing fast and easy.